Stop losing money to hidden charges. Today, we're breaking down PayPal fees for receiving money and giving you 5 genius tricks to save big. The basic fee structure is a fixed fee plus a percentage. For domestic transactions in the US, for instance, it's typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents. International rates are higher, adding a non-negotiable cross-border fee and an often hidden currency conversion spread. This standard commercial rate applies broadly, whether you're getting paid for a service, selling goods, or wondering how much PayPal charge for Clickbank money transfer or similar affiliate commissions. These fees directly impact your bottom line. Here are the 5 powerful tricks to reduce what you pay. 1. Always use the friends and family option for non-commercial transfers like gifts or reimbursements. This completely bypasses the percentage fee, but remember, it offers zero buyer or seller protection. Use it wisely. 1. For high-volume sellers, apply for the merchant rate. If your business processes over $3,000 USD monthly, your percentage fee can drop significantly, sometimes to below 2.5%. This requires a simple application with PayPal support. 1. Avoid small, frequent payments. The fixed fee, like 30 cents, hits microtransactions hardest. Aggregate smaller amounts into one large transfer to minimize the fixed fee's impact overall. 1. The most overlooked trick: manage currency conversion yourself. If you're receiving a foreign currency, choose to receive it in that currency in your PayPal balance, then transfer the foreign money to a bank or third-party service like Wise for a much better conversion rate later. PayPal's built-in rate is rarely the most favorable. 1. Use an alternative payment method for repeat clients. Explore invoicing systems that integrate directly with bank transfers to bypass PayPal fees entirely, especially for large, established business transactions. What other videos don't tell you? Watch out for the micropayment rate. If your average transaction is consistently under 10 USD, switch to this specialized account type for massive savings on the fixed fee component. Also, the fee in a commercial transaction is always paid by the receiver, so factor that fee into your pricing strategy or contract. Finally, if you withdraw funds frequently, batch them weekly or monthly to avoid repeated bank transfer charges, which can also add up. Master these tricks and keep more of your hard-earned money. Hit like and subscribe for more essential banking digits.